Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we've got cactus back scratchers of all shapes and sizes. We have the full cactus back scratcher, which is right here. We have the mini, which I have to lean over and grab the mini cactus back scratcher right here. I'll show you how to use them, as well as this is just a wand back scratcher. Very nice. So let's go ahead and look at each. I'll tell you the benefits of them, and we'll kick it off right about now. So what's the story with these fine cactus back scratchers? Now, first off, they have two different settings, if you will. You've got more of a smooth, and then the real serious cactus. This thing is for getting deep on your back in the places you can't or don't want to reach anymore. Really nice. I think the hardest part for me would be right in the middle of the back, because I can get pretty well around on my back. But this is nice because it just stretches out and you hit those spots that you want to hit. It says instant relief from prickly back itch. Satisfy your itch. And it does say that this is not to be used as a weapon, which makes me totally want to use it as a weapon for booping. I don't know who I'm going to boop, but I'm not supposed to. So the cactus back scratcher, a very nice product, and I'll put the link in the description below. This is great for exfoliation and just really getting those spots that you, oh, right in the back of the head, right back here. Very nice. So cactus back scratcher. If you're interested in this, go ahead and pick one up in the link below. I'll put information in the description so you can order yours today. Let's go ahead and set that back in its bag. And now we're gonna look at the big deal. This is the cactus back scratcher. These extend out and you can stretch it here. Now I've already been using the mini, and I'm gonna see if I can show you that. It's a great idea. You can really just get in there. I'm gonna see if I can show you. Yeah, it's really nice. So the mini